Hello, welcome to another video by solving the Rubik's Cube by various patterns. So today I'm going to mix this cube up by using first two from the right. So let's begin. So as you can see, the below the colors are red, centerpiece, green, orange. So the color is in a turning in clockwise. This red is pointing towards this red in a clockwise direction. So red, green, orange. Red, green, orange. So it's basically clockwise. So we know we have to solve from this side, the right side. So, and using first or the last method, first is we see this bottom. So this red color bottom tells us we should use the method last two from the right. So let's begin last two from the right side. Okay. As you can see, Rubik's Cube is solved.